I'll take that as a, ooh. Okay. Yeah? All right, I'm going. Woo-wee!
You look familiar.
That was fun. Holy shit, where did that machine gun shoot at me from? Do you know?
He's behind the bush.
Oh, sneaky bastard. Okay.
Cutting down everybody in the car building over there.
Which bush?
So there's the bush right in front of us.
Uh-huh.
There's a one in front of that one.
Okay. Can I see it through the crack?
And then there's another one in front of that one. He's right there.
Okay, so not this front one. Not this one in front of the objective building.
It's the one touching that other building.
That's slightly north? Okay, gotcha. Okay. Oh, I'm not going to be able to get him. There's no good angle on him. Alright, I know we've got a couple friendlies in this beige, or the new building. I think.
Last I checked was clear. It's that building right there.
Yeah, that's the objective building. We got to get in there.
Objective building's up from that.
It's not the actual bank.
Is it?
No, it's this building right here in front of the bank. Yep, I was in it when we were defending. So, yeah, that's why it's so hard to get in there, because they are. Oh, where's that dude with the grenade? That would be perfect.
Oh, someone in the red building.
Go cross right now.
Go.
Go.
All right, going.
Go.
That was probably the weirdest noise I'm gonna make all day. Here, I got my gun back up. You ready?
He's in that window.
You ready for it? Oh, caught on the sling. Sorry. Yeah, you don't die. Hey, come on, let's go. Okay. Keep looking, Cody. That is now your new objective. Over. Nick, same deal.
What are you doing?
Just find him?
Find them and do it.
I don't know, going rep tower.
Well, I mean, I was doing something, but...
Paul, what's your location?
Hey, Paul's with me with north of the bank on a path by the fort.
What? How the hell did they get all the way
Heavy
here?
reinforcements. I was getting shot by an LMG. We're probably gonna die. Keep on touch.
Copy. Cody and Nick head that way now. Over.
Look where you're at.
Would this be better?
Yeah, that might be a little better.
Here.
Look where you're at.
Please be careful. It's my baby. They are pissed with you.
Oh, shit, hey!
Shit.
They could have used English and I was not able to understand that.
He's down.
Hey, we're by what appears to be an ultralight on a path by the fort. We need help now. There's heavy enemy surface. You went over by the woods on the left side.
Oh, hit. Yeah, I was.
We're strong back to base, so we can launch another offensive. Going back to base?
Oh, God.
at the base and then we can push forward.
Shit.
10 balls. I'll meet you 3 at base.
Over that side.
Woo! Okay, please don't shoot me. Thank you. Oh! Right on the belly button, man. That was fun.
Hey, are you guys near the base?
Oh,
Are you going back to spawn, you mean? Because I'm very lost right now where you guys are at. I'm gonna ask you guys.
Cody, where are you guys at? Because I'm really confused. Cody, say again. Thank you. So, huh? Yeah, I couldn't figure out where the hell any of you guys were on the radio.
I'm not on the right channel. I'm on the wrong channel. I'm not receiving anything.
Here. There you go. Oh, that's a big bug.
Yeah, we weren't trying it. There's a lot of enemies, but we could probably find out. We fixed that.
So, I got to the building that's just south of the objective building.
Yeah, we keep getting. You guys want to try to flank left with us over to Mine Shaft?
We can. I've seen 3 people over there.
We pushed up pretty far though. So.
They are?
Hey, guys,
We'll go
guys,
fix
guys,
that.
guys. Over there.
Yeah.
Let's push up.
Alright, come on, Paul. You're going to find out where mine shaft is.
They were asking for help over there, so I'm guessing they're over here somewhere.
Shit, I only got half a mag in this bitch.
I got enough. I've got more.
We all dead. Saya's got one. 5 kills. Yeah. I'm gonna get my pistol ready.
You want to go far left or you want to push in?
Far left around probably by the base.
Okay, we just got to watch our
ahead
shit.
of me. I got a minimum engagement distance.
I was going to say, if you want to go around, do you know you can go around?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I just want someone like,
Yeah.
because as we get closer, I can't get someone that pops around.
Do you want this?
No, I think I'm good right now. Somebody want to play with me?
I think we're going to keep going this way.
I hate having to deal with my pistol one hand. You should get
Sling.
sling. Yeah. I'll think about bringing mine. How's my mag doing? Hold on. Got a little bit of beating.
Go ahead, Paul. Green? Alright, hey. Rob, go in. Robbie, go inside. Paul, take the other side. Peek it. What's it look like? I think we need to push back because I think they're taking contact from over there. Alright, you ready? Come with me. You got an extra one of those. got any more of those? Can I get one? Actually, what weight of BB are you using?
2.8.
Yeah, give me one. Thanks. Shit. Shh. Stay off comms.
Still here? Green. There's all green up here right now.
Okay, well somebody was taking fire from down this way.
That would be cool. I haven't seen anybody because we have our teammates up here too.
Okay, I'm gonna just double check it because they were getting engaged through here. Oh shit, okay. We gotta go left. I'm crossing. Good. Okay. Alright, cool. There you go.
Yeah, we have some teammates right on the other side of this wall.
Right by the ultralight or whatever it's called.
Okay. Well, keep in mind, their spawn is not that far from here.
Shot in the neck.
So we need to start pushing north out this door.
So there's this purple building.
Uh-huh.
There's a blue building behind it. There's a sniper all the way in the back.
Okay. Gotcha.
There might be some
Yeah.
other guy, but I'm not sure.
Okay.
Game over.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay.
30 seconds. 10 minutes.
30 seconds.